You have to have a vision, a goal, and then you have to drop it. That is what the secret of Sankalpa. In all the pujas and everywhere, what do we do in India? We take Sankalpa. Sankalpa is, at this point of time in space, I take this intention, and then you drop that intention. Because life cannot move without a direction. So you need to give it a direction.
Why do we need to drop that intention? If anyway the intention is what is driving.
Otherwise you will go crazy. The difference between an intention and desire is, in desire you are holding on to it, you become so feverish and you lose all your energy, power in holding on to it. When you drop it, that intention anyway will work. You have an intention, you are not negating. See, there is a difference between dropping and negating. See, when you start a car, you don't keep the ignition on the whole time. You use the ignition, but then the vehicle moves when you drop that. In the same way, intention to be taken and dropped. Now, negation is a very different thing. Negation is, I should not have this. So you are negating the desires. See, if it appears that someone has not succeeded, you should know every failure is a step towards success. It is not yet their time, but they will still move forward. They have learned something. In life, there is nothing called failure. Only in the events, on a short-term gain, you may look, this is failure, this is success. On a long term, in a bigger picture, that's not the case. See, when a baby walks, it falls 10 times. Some baby may fall 20 times before it starts walking. But that you can't call it failure. Eventually, everybody will walk. Your run to improve yourself is your problem. Say, I want to improve myself. Why do you have to improve yourself? Why don't you accept yourself as you are? So once you accept it, you will see you get access to many talents that are already hidden inside us. Because we are running, we are trying to compete. When we see others, when we want to be better than them, we want to be the, this idealizing in the mind puts you on a back foot. The moment you drop all your idealism, this is little higher knowledge. So the moment you say, I just accept me and the situation as it is, coming to the very basic point, something happens inside of you. Then you are in this state of total contentment. And talents which are hidden in you, they start manifesting. And even if they don't manifest, you don't care. You are happy. See, when a lamp is glowing, there is no half glow or less glow or more glow. Lamp is glowing and glowing, that's all. It spreads its radiance all around it. And that's what we must remember, that each one of us are a glowing lamp. And so we radiate ourselves. This does not mean that you shut your ears to others' inputs. It can lead you to arrogance also. That is where a yogi falls. So arrogance needs to be avoided at all costs. How it can happen? It can happen when you remember simplicity in life and open to any type of criticism. No need to justify or resist or defend yourself when criticized.